Hello, everybody. Um, I'm doing the thing that nobody asked for, but everybody needs, and if you don't need it, then why are you here? Why? Why are you here? But we are playing Cook Burgers. Why? 'Cause it's funny. And my own mother suggested that I record a video of this. So, we're doing it. Hi, Mom. Love you. Woo! Say I love you to your mothers. Go call them. Anyway, here we go. Of course, we cannot be normal and be a person. No, we're going to be a cat. Because being a cat is oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, there's so many buns. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, you have such a rat problem. You're gonna have such rat problem. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, are these the same people? Why? Why is this happening? I just got it. Oh my god, this might be a person. I think this is an employee job. I think this is an actual human job. A job I have to do as a human. What? What did you do? What did you do to ruin this kitchen? Oh my god. Oh my god. These are fine. These fine. These fine. Okay. Plate. Oh my god. Oh my god, you want ketchup. Of course you want ketchup. Why wouldn't you want ketchup? Ketchup. Use ketchup. Oh my god, where's the ketchup? Where's the ketchup? Give me the flim flam and ketchup. Ply. 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 Oh my god, you ruined it. You ruined it. Get. You ruined it. You ruined it. Oh my god. Okay, let's just cook some burgers. Just cook some burgers. Just cook some burgers. Oh my god, why are they saying naive in the chat? Just cook some burgers. Don't burn the burgers. Don't burgers burn. Oh my god. Okay, that's slightly cooked. We have to wait for it to be betterly cooked. Okay, we don't have the room for that. Perfectly cooked. Okay. Perfectly cooked. Okay. Why are you due? Why? Why are you due? We don't need lettuce. This is gonna be an interesting video. And it's on my brand new laptop. Yay! But oh my god. Oh my god. We don't have the room for all these things. We don't have the room for them. I'm sorry, but we don't have the room. We don't have the spacitude. I'm only keeping the burgers because we need burgers. Don't order things. There are fries right here. There are fries right here. Oh my god. 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 Well, I'm sorry, but you're getting floor burger. Fluterklufen. No. Ketchup. No. No. It's an abomination. Also, yes, I stole that from my best friend. Sorry. You don't watch my videos. Why am I apologizing? Get cooked. This is perfectly cooked. Get on the stove. Oh my god. Please clean this kitchen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not enough votes to clean the kitchen. Why would you not? Thank you for being normal. Oh my god. Those are cold. Oh my god, my burgers, my burgers, my burgers. My Berbers. Oh no. Get the bread off the Berbers. Get to roll you. Cook the Berbers. Get the Berbers cooked. Cook the Berbers. Why are you cooking the bread? No, screw your bread. Ah. Get in the fryer. Oh my god, please. Get in the Flunterklufen fryer. Get out of my kitchen! You well-oiled rat! Don't cook the fire extinguisher! Get out of the fryer! No! Don't fry the burgers! Oh my god, my burgers! Don't fry the burgers! Don't. No! No! Fried. Fried. Too fried. Fried. No! Get the floofer out of my fries! Get the floofer floofer. Get the floofer out of my fries. Get out of here. Get the floofer out of my fries. Get the floofer out of my floofing fries. Saint Floofington. Oh my god. Get this fried bread out of here. Get the fries in the fryer. How do we not have a massive rat problem? Or we do and I just haven't noticed. Get tossed. You also get tossed. I'm scared of the other half of the store. Get wrecked, mate. Oh my god, don't fall in the garbage. We get money for throwing things away. What in the Flutterklufen? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna be the world's longest video, and I don't care. Well, not the longest video. There are 24-hour videos, I'm pretty sure. But oh my god. Ugh. No. You can't do this to me. Oh my god, there's a fire. There's fire. There's fire. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. 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 Oh my god. Turn it off. Please off. Oh god. My legs are deep fried. Jeez. Stop pushing me in the fryer. Oh my god. Okay, I think I just factory reset. Oh my god. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to put a headphone warning somewhere. Ah! Oh my, no! I'm gonna have to put so many headphones so many headphone warnings. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to put a headphone warning in the title. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Get lost. Oh no. Get off. Get. These aren't cooked yet. Get tossed. Get super tossed. Oh my god, its description is cold. Okay, get off my grill. Get off my griddle. Oh my god. Oh my god. I let cold slide? Oh my god. Yes, please, please. For the love of God, clean the kitchen. Clean this kitchen, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We don't need buns. There are buns over here. Just grab a bun. Oh my god. Oh my god. The kitchen. It's clean. Oh my god. Okay, start cooking burgers. Start cooking the burgers. Oh my god. The kitchen's clean now. The kitchen's floofing clean. Okay. Get cooked. Get cooked, please. Please get cooked. I beg of you, get cooked. We're gonna try this again. Get removed. You also get removed. You get removed. You were already removed. Get off. Get off. Oh, that's slightly overcooked. They're not gonna notice. It's just a little crispy. They're not gonna notice. It's just gonna be a little crispy. There's already rats. How did we not get rats before? How did we not rat before? Where are you taking those fries? Oh my god. Cat. Goodbye. Goodbye, cat. What? Wait, no! You made me drop it. You made me drop the rat. Oh my god. Okay. This is okay. This is fine, I guess. We need to pick up this bread, though. We've got bread everywhere. We need to pick up the bread. Oh my god. Oh my bread. That's my new slogan, everybody. Oh my bread. I hope you're having a good time, everybody. I don't know why you're still here, but I thank you for. Why are you putting Why are you putting ketchup on everything? Please don't put ketchup on everything. Oh my god! What just happened? What the fluter kloofing just happened? I have to put these plates away. Also, at the time of recording this, it's like stupid late. 3:42 a.m. to be exact. If you haven't noticed, sleep schedules are not a thing to me. At least it's winter break though, so it don't really matter. So it doesn't matter all that much. Also, Happy New Year. Happy New Year's. I don't know why this is how you're choosing to spend a New Year's, but okay, is it all the rats? Please let that be all the rats. It's probably not all the rats. There are probably more rats. In fact, there are probably rats inside. Huh, there are no rats. Oh my god, what happened to my bread? Okay. Oh no. Good thing I took off the buns earlier. Did we not the buns? The patties. Okay. Get, put me down, please. Okay. Oh. Get on. Get. Oh my god. Where did the box go? Did the box just disappear? Okay, get off. Get up. Wait, what? Slightly cooked. Oh, then get back on the grill. Perfectly cooked. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it's a rat. Get off. Get. Get away. Is that a person? Slightly fried. No. Why are these? Okay. Well, everybody, I think that's it for Cook Burgers. Oh my god, there's a rat. You know what? I'm not gonna bother. Thank you for tuning in today. Is he trying to pick me up? Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you had a good time. I hope to see you next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and survive.